The P0152 code is an OBD2 diagnostic trouble code that indicates the upstream oxygen sensor on Bank 2 Sensor 1 is reporting excessively high voltage to the engine control unit. Bank 2 refers to the engine bank that contains cylinder 1 in V6 or V8 engines. Sensor 1 is the upstream sensor located before the catalytic converter. Voltage above 1.0 volts typically suggests a lean air-fuel mixture, meaning there's too much air compared to fuel in the combustion process. The oxygen sensor detects excess oxygen in the exhaust gases and reports this high voltage to the ECU, which monitors and adjusts the fuel mixture. This condition triggers the check engine light and can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, rough idling, and potential damage to the catalytic converter if not addressed. We'll break down the steps to diagnose and fix this issue. Oxygen sensors, or O2 sensors, measure the amount of oxygen present in your car's exhaust gases. These sensors generate a voltage signal that typically ranges from 0.1 volts to 0.9 volts, depending on the oxygen levels detected. Bank 2 Sensor 1 is located upstream in the exhaust system before the catalytic converter. This positioning allows it to monitor the air-fuel mixture in real time. The sensor sends this data to the engine control unit, or ECU, which uses it to adjust the air-fuel ratio for optimal engine performance and emissions control. Being upstream means it can directly tell the ECU what the air-fuel mixture is doing before the catalytic converter processes it. Several factors can trigger the P0152 code. These include a faulty oxygen sensor due to aging, contamination, or internal short. Wiring or circuit problems, such as shorts, opens, or corrosion. Exhaust system leaks upstream of the sensor that dilute the exhaust. And vacuum leaks or faulty fuel injectors, causing a lean mixture. In 2025, sensor faults account for roughly 50% of cases, while wiring issues make up 30%. First, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0152 code and check for any other related codes. Examine live data from the O2 sensor. The voltage should fluctuate rapidly. Visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for any obvious damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Ensure the exhaust system has no leaks before the sensor. Addressing these easily checked issues can save time and money. Wiring problems are another frequent cause of the P0152 code. Check the wiring harness for continuity and shorts using a multimeter. Repair any damaged wires or replace the harness if necessary. Pay close attention to connectors, ensuring they are clean and properly seated. Road salt and environmental factors can cause corrosion, especially in older vehicles. Exhaust leaks upstream of the O2 sensor can introduce extra oxygen, mimicking a lean condition that triggers the P0152 code. Inspect the exhaust manifold, gaskets, and pipes for any signs of leaks, such as cracks, corrosion, or loose connections. Use soapy water to detect leaks while the engine is running. Apply the solution to suspected areas and look for bubbles indicating escaping exhaust. Welding repairs for damaged pipes or replacing worn gaskets can resolve these issues and eliminate the P0152 code. Remember to clear the code after the repair to see if it returns, confirming the fix was successful. Vacuum leaks in the intake system can cause a lean air-fuel mixture, triggering the P0152 code. Inspect all vacuum lines for cracks, loose connections, or disconnections that allow unmetered air into the engine. Faulty fuel injectors can deliver incorrect fuel amounts, leading to a lean mixture. Test each injector for proper spray pattern. Look for even cones, not offset patterns, poor atomization, or dribbling. A clogged or damaged fuel filter restricts fuel flow to the engine, creating a lean air-fuel mixture that triggers the P0152 code. Replace the filter if it's obstructed. In some cases, an ECU software update from the manufacturer can fix underlying fuel trim issues that cause the P0152 code. Check for available updates through your dealer or diagnostic tool. Fixing vacuum leaks, faulty injectors, clogged filters, or updating ECU software ensures the engine receives the correct air-fuel mixture, preventing future oxygen sensor issues and P0152 codes.